One of the cool things you can do at home with your kids is making art and more so with available materials like cardboard. In today's video, we are going to make this wall art, and it's a very cool project to make and very easy. So we'll start by cutting out the leaf shapes, and then after cutting the leaf shapes, we'll remove the top layer so that we have the serrated middle layer of the cardboard, and then we start here by just making the handle so that our art has something that we can hang on the wall. Now guys, with these paper crafts, you can actually hang them on the wall using glue. And for my case, I use hot glue. So for me not to destroy the wall, I use glue that is not so hot, like just when it starts melting, I attach it to the paper and then attach to the wall. So in this way, I am able to maintain the walls because the glue comes off very nicely when it is not so hot. But if it's hotter, it sticks very much. Like for example, if you're doing something like you're doing a project that is a bit heavy, you're using maybe wood, then you can use the hot glue. But if you're using this paper craft, you don't need the glue to be so hot. So I hope that you enjoyed today's video. Please subscribe to my channel if you're new, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for always coming back to watch my videos. Now guys, there is no particular way for me to attach these things. You can start either way. So for me, I was just randomly doing it and filling in the spaces and just looking to see what will come out. Sometimes when I do these kind of things, I don't like to do them in order because disorder sometimes creates very beautiful patterns, and that was the case for this one. So guys, I hope that you'll enjoy the video, and I hope that you get to try out this at home with your kids. Thank you so much, and let's enjoy the video now. Thank you so much for watching up to this place. I hope that you have enjoyed. You can add your own additions when you make this. And God bless you so much. Please watch my next video. Bye.